One chord, two fingers, easiest chord on the guitar. Most guys never pick up the guitar because they think they have to be good first. Guitar sits in the corner and the stress sits in your chest. This is E minor. Use your thumb to start. Use fingers 1 and 2 or fingers 2 and 3. But before you get too far, this is not a guitar channel necessarily. This is a stress and anxiety channel. I'm using guitar to do daily resets, where we use simple guitar and box breathing. Check this out. Inhale while strumming with your thumb. Hold it for about 4 seconds, and then exhale while strumming with your thumb. If you can lock into the sound of the strings as they ring, you will experience a stillness like none other. Not only can you strum them, you can pick each note individually. When that gets too easy for you, use the pick. Are you having a hard time with your fingers? Try these two instead. Let's end it by taking it to the limit. So you know where your fingers are. Bring the middle finger up, 3rd fret, 6th string. Same pattern. It's not practice, that's you taking control back. Hey, free step-by-step guide, guitarresetmethod.com, and build this into your day.